Slant down. Slant down. Across. A is for astronaut. Astronaut. B. Pull down. Round curve in and around in again. B is for ball. Ball. C. Start at the top, curve left down and up. C is for cat. Cat. D. Pull down. Back from the top. Curve around in. D is for doll. Doll. E. Pull down. Across at the top. Across in the middle. And across at the bottom. E is for elephant. Elephant. F. Pull down. Across at the top. And across in the middle. F is for flower. Flower. G. Start at the top, curve left down, and up, across in. G is for guitar. Guitar. H. Pull down. Pull down. And across. H is for house. House. I. Pull down. I is for insect. Insect. J. Pull down, curve left and up. J is for jellyfish. Jellyfish. K. Pull down, slant down, and slant down. K is for kite. Kite. L. Pull down, across. L is for lion. Lion. M. Pull down. Slant down. Slant down. And pull down again. M is for milk. Milk. N. Pull down. Slant down. And pull down. N is for nest. Nest. O. Curve down, up, around, and close. O is for octopus. Octopus. P. Pull down, back to the top, and around in. P is for pig. Pig. Q. Curve down, up, around, and close. Slant down. Q is for queen. Queen. R. Pull down, back to the top, around in, and slant down. R is for robot. Robot. S. Curve down, curve right, then up. S is for snake. Snake. T. Across at the top, then pull down. T is for tree. Tree. U. Pull down, curve around at the bottom and up. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. V. Slant down, slant up. V is for volcano. Volcano. W. Slant down, slant up, slant down, slant up. W is for whale. Whale. X. Slant down, slant down. X is for X-ray. X-ray. Y. Slant down. Slant down. And pull down. Y is for yogurt. Yogurt. Z. Across, slant down, and across. Z is for zebra. Zebra.